Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Her Wardrobe, and today I have an exciting video for you guys. The coquette core aesthetic has been trending all over Instagram and a lot of celebrities and K-pop idols have been using them in their everyday looks. My personal favorite has to be Jennie from Blackpink, where she wears a lot of coquette core styles with the whole bow detailing and the soft curl aesthetic. When I say coquette core, it means a whole vintage appeal where it comes with everything sweet, girly, soft curl aesthetic. And it also combines the whimsical vibe of the whole cottagecore aesthetic as well. So I found these really cute tops on Meesho which scream cottagecore. They come in these really cute pastel colors like purple, pink, light blue as well as yellow. And I've tried these with a few outfits and skirts that I put together to get that whole soft curl aesthetic vibe. These are the really pretty coquette core style tops that I got from Meesho, and they're all really cute and they have these nice bright pastel colors to them, so I'm very excited to try them out. This is the blue top and it has a pretty basic silhouette with these buttons on the front, but what I really love about this top is the blue on blue lace trim. It has a nice trim along the hem of the top which is not there in the other tops where it's only lace on the top or the sleeves. But this one has on the hem of the top as well as the sleeve and the neckline. So it's really nicely done, and also the buttons are done in the same fabric to give that extra classy vibe. This is the close-up of the blue top and it's pretty basic silhouette, but I think it fits me really nice. I went for a size extra small. But my only complaint would be I wish it was more fitted along the waistline to give it that whole crop feel. But I think it's a part of the look to have it a little looser along the waist and fitted along the bust. Other than that, I think it's pretty cute and I have no complaint. This is the cream color top and I think the whole silhouette is very cottagecore. It has these nice straps followed by an off shoulder with a layer covering the top part. And this one also has the lace on the same color, which is cream on cream, similar to the blue one. I think the fit is really nice. My only complaint would be that it's pretty long for a crop top. It comes up to here. But I think if you're styling it with a skirt on top, that's not even an issue to consider. This is the close-up of the top and even up close it looks just as pretty. I really like the whole layering detail that they have going on with the pretty bow in the same cream color as well as the lace. I think overall this is a very complete top and it's very essence of the coquette core style. This is the pink top and it has to be my favorite. It has a really nice fit. I got this in a size extra small. It has these pretty bow details in the same pink color. It's on the front of the top as well as the straps. It has a very nice feel to it. I like this top particularly more than the others because of the strappy details. I think it's more of my aesthetic. Other than that, the top is really pretty and it has this contrast white lace trim all along the front. My only complaint is that I wish that the lace would have continued in the back, but it's only in the front part. This is the close-up of the top. I think it fits and looks really nice on me. I think the color also complements my dusky skin tone. Even the bottom hem of the top is nice and curly, so it goes with the whole vibe of the top. That goes with the bigger lace on top as well. The purple one has to be my second favorite one, not only because of the color but also because of the fit of this one. It has a really nice unique style and you might have not noticed, but it has a very slight stitch detail on both the sides, which is giving that extra fit to the whole outfit, which I didn't even know when I was buying the look. Apart from that, it has this contrast white lace going along the neckline as well as the sleeves. But when you're going for coquette, that's a given because you need to have those sort of lacy or bow sort of vibe. Apart from that, I think it's a really cute fit and even the sleeves are slightly bit gathered if you can notice. I think that's a little nice cute detail. This is a close-up of the top. I think even up close it looks really nice and cute. I think the special detail that I really love about this top is all the gathered features all around the sleeves as well as the side. I think it gives an extra something to the top that it's really cute and it stands out from the rest as well, which is opposed to a little pretty basic silhouette. This yellow one is not particularly my favorite color, but I still wanted to give it a try because I wanted to show you guys a range of colors and styles that they have. This one is a little different than the other tops because it has more of a casual vibe than the coquette core style. But it still has these pretty white bows that is going along the center, along with these edges that are risen up slightly, and it has this white edge on the side. But other than that, I think the top is pretty cute. I would just go for a different color, but I wanted to try this color for you guys. This is the close-up of the top. I really don't like the color because I feel like it's washing me out and it's pretty bright on my skin tone. But what do you guys think? Does this color look good on dusky skin tone? Apart from that, I think the stitch details and the style is pretty cute. My only complaint is I wish the bows fell on the white line and not on the side. I'm not sure if you can notice it from far, but it's pretty visible if you're up close. So that was it, guys. Those were all the tops. My personal favorite has to be the pink one, and the second would be the purple one. Let me know in the comments below which top did you like, and if you want the links of these tops, make sure to check out my profile. I will keep doing a lot more of Meesho hauls and Cocket styles if you like them, so let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Bye.